Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Live from Total Value RV right here in Elkhart, Indiana. Guys, we're doing something a little different here. We're going to put something on eBay. It's kind of a package. And I think this is a great thing to show here. Say you got a little smaller SUV. Say, for example, like a 2014 Ford Escape Titanium in the white. Okay? And you might say, boy, I'd really like to go camping. Take me and the wife out, maybe the kids, maybe some other people. Well, this trailer right here, this car can pull 4,000 pounds. This trailer right here only weighs 2,151 pounds. It's a 2019 14 FK E-Pro, brand new. So you got the car here. What's the nice things on the car? Well, it has 4 doors. There's a door here you can open up. Then in there you'll see there's your thing where you can go from drive to reverse to neutral. You got a backup camera in it. It's got cruise control. Power everything. Nice seats back in the back too. Okay, so you got 4 people that can fit in this vehicle. You've got a nice little luggage rack up here as well. Okay, power door locks, power windows, a remote that does some of the same things. Okay, so
remote start.
Remote start it also has. Yes. Okay, then you come back to the back, you say, well, I might want to take some bikes with me. Where am I going to put the bikes? And as well, too. So right here, what do we have? We have a bike rack right here on the 14 FKE Pro. Power tongue jack, which will power this up and down so that way you can set it onto the vehicle. 2 20-pound LP bottles. 2 batteries. You got your nice little rock guard right here. Fiberglass front cap, vacuum mounted on the sides. You also have a power patio awning, which has your LED lights. And again, you have another light right there, an outside speaker. So when you get to your destination, you might be hungry. So you got an outside grill that comes right here. You got an LP gas quick connect. There's your camp grill right there. You got a little table you can set on there. Power outlet right here. Aluminum rims. You can also adjust this awning. Okay, another nice thing about this too as well. Say you might, let's just really get out and getting away from everybody. How can I do that? What if I don't have this, an electric power source? This little 14 FKE Pro has a 100-watt solar panel right on the top. So you can take it out, you can run everything out on the inside. You can run your lights, you can run your refrigerator, you can run your TV, you can run everything except for the air conditioner. Okay, you have a little ladder here if you want to get up on the roof. Little radius roof here so the water will run off with the drain spouts right there. Backup camera. The backup camera itself here you can get aftermarket from Forest River, or you can order it right from our parts department. Your camera will sit there, and then you have your wireless monitoring system that's inside of your truck. So when you're going back, you can see what's coming there. Hot water heater right here. Outside shower, so if you want to shower on the outside, or you just got something you want to clean up.
Sewer hose carrier. Dump station.
Here you have for your dump valves. Here's your power cord, hookups for cable or satellite. You can put your fresh water gravity fill right here, or hook up to the water right there. Okay? So let's take a little look inside. You also have stabilizing jacks in the back. That way you can stabilize it. So you come inside here. We have what they call the wet bath. You have your shower, your stool, everything right in there. You have a little vent in there. Have a light in there for you as well. 360 siphon vent. Here you have your little indoor kitchen area with a 3-burner cooktop, a convection microwave oven. This is so you can control your inverter. A pop-up place with 2 extra plugs. Here's also where you have all of your monitoring system. You can do your fresh, your gray, and your black all right from there, as well as your battery. Turn your lights on here. Turn your water pump on here, your water heater if you want to run on the gas side, or if you want to run on the electric side. This is a control for the awning. You can see it's power. Okay, so you just push a button. Have your nice big dinette here, so you can sit around here comfortably. And then at night you break this down, and then this will make your bed. You also have your stereo right here. Okay, Wi-Fi Ranger, so if you get out there, you can just click that on. That'll boost your signal for you. This is your 12-volt TV, which again can run right off of your solar panel. You can run all of your lights off of the solar panel, as well as your refrigerator right here. Okay? So, there you go. So guys, you got a little air conditioner right here, which does have a heat strip in it as well too. Okay? So, if you're on eBay, take a look at it. Call our eBay guy or give us a call 866-282-4460 or visit us on the web at totalvaluerv.com. eBay away. And then your entry step you'll see here is your solid surface step here. It's going to be a lot more better step than the one that pulled out from underneath. And when you're done, this will fold back into the trailer. Also take a look here, guys, in case you didn't believe me as far as the weight. There's the weight. That's the dry weight as it sits right now.
2151.
2151.